Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in the previous video we have completed S4, that is keeping our homes clean. So till the last video, so we have completed the block 4, that is home and shelter. Let's summarize the block 4 topics. What is the first topic in the block 4? Need for shelter. Yes, why we need shelter actually? Yes, because it protect us from the various things. And it also, what are the various things? Heat, cold, rain, animals and the robbers also. And it also gives us shelter to live with our loved ones. We can spend our time with our loved ones. So that's why we need the shelter. What is the second topic? Different types of houses. Yes, there are different types of houses. In the different types of houses, we have read about 6 houses. What is the first one? First one is the hut. Hut is made up of mud. So mostly we can see hut in villages. Yes. And what is the second one? It is a bungalow. Where we can see the bungalow, it is made up of cement. Yes, where we can see it is mostly seen in the cities. And what is the third one? Tent. Tent is a temporary shelter, temporary house. Yes, where when we move from one place to another place, we use tent as a house. And what is the fourth one? It is a caravan. A caravan is also a temporary shelter, temporary house. It also used to move from one place to another place. Caravan we move on the wheels on the road. And what is the fifth one? It is houseboat. Houseboat moves on the water. Yes, so it is also a temporary house which moves on water. And the last one is the igloo. Igloo is made up of ice. Mostly where we can see the heavy rainfall, there only igloo is made. Yes, it is made up of ice. Okay children, that are the different types of houses. What is the third topic? Mud, wood and cement houses. Yes, in this only we have read about the different types of houses. How is hut made up of, how it is bungalow made up of, and how it is the wood house made up of. Mud house we mostly see in the villages. And wood house mostly we see in the hill stations. And the cement houses, you know, obviously it is we see in the cities. And these three are the material used to build the houses. How we decide which material we have to use? We will decide what material is available near the place or according to our weather, like it is hot or cold, based on the weather or the material available nearby the place. We choose by that and we will build the house. And what is the last topic? S4, keeping our homes clean. Yes children, we have to keep our homes clean because we spend a lot of time in our homes only. So we have to keep clean and neat. If we don't clean our house, it will the flies and mosquitoes can come and we people fall sick. So that's why we have to keep our home clean, like Sana's house. We have seen the Sana's house in workbook. Like that we have to keep our house clean. Now everyone open your classwork and reader and keep aside pencil, eraser and a color pencil. Children, open your classwork. Yes children, now open your reader, page number 31. Let's read the glossary first. Desert, place covered with sand. Materials, things like wood, cement which we make houses. Shelter, a place which gives safety and comfort. Turn the page children, we have the true or false here. Write true or false. A shelter can protect us from the heat of sun, cold and rain. Yes, a house can give the shelter and it protects us from heat, sun and cold and rain, right? So it is true. There is only one type of house. False. There is only one type of house. We have many types of house like hut, bungalow, tent, caravan. Yes, many types of houses. There are different types of houses based on the material used to build them. Yes, there are different types of material to build the houses. What are they? Mud, wood, cement. Yes, so the answer is true. Alia takes care of her home and keeps it clean. It is important to keep our homes clean. It is important, children, to keep our home clean. Yes, so the answer is true. Now take down your questions. Mark the second question as first one, third one as second one, sixth one as third one and seventh one as fourth one. Now everyone open your classwork and be ready with your pencil, eraser and your color pencil, children. Okay, I have already. And also you can write these 3 glossaries as your keywords also. Yes, now open your classwork. See, write today's date, that is 19/9/20, block 4, home and shelter. First bit, keywords. Write only 3 keywords from the reader glossary. Okay, write these 3 keywords here. And next, turn the page. Write the second bit, glossary. These 3 glossary only, write it down here. And already we have done the third bit, true or false. Yes, we have already done the true or false, right? This A, B, C, D, write it down in your classwork. Now this is your fourth bit, answer the following questions. Already have given you the questions ticking marks. Copy these questions only as first, second, third and fourth. Let's read the question answers. What is the difference between living in a house and not living in a house? What is the difference between if we live in a house or if we are not living in a house? We'll see the answer. A house gives us shelter from heat, cold, animals and robbers. If we do not have a shelter to live, we will not be able to protect ourselves. If there is no shelter, we can't protect us from heat, cold, animals and robbers. This is the answer. Second question. Write 2 ways to help a family whose house got destroyed. Whose house got destroyed? We have read about Barney's story. Yes, in the S1. Same like that only. We can help them by collecting money to rebuild their home. We have to collect the money to rebuild their home. Or what else we can do? We can also guide them to take shelter in another place till their home get rebuilt. Till their home get rebuilt, they can live in the other house. Third question. Why do people use different material to build their house? People choose the material based on what is available in the place they live or whether the place is hot or cold. What material it is found and weather condition also they will see and build the house. Let's see the fourth question. Why it is important to keep our homes clean? What will happen if we do not keep our homes clean? What will happen if we not keep our homes clean? The flies and mosquitoes comes and we fall sick, right? Yes, we'll see the answer. We spend lot of time in our homes. It is a place where we eat, sleep, dress and spend time with our family. So it is important to keep our home clean. If we do not keep our home clean, it invites flies and mosquitoes and can people fall sick. Yes, children, after finishing the question answers, these are the 4 question answers. After finishing each question answer, draw a line with the color pencil. Okay, you have 4 question answers. Now you have the 5th bit, class activity. You have 2 class activities here. Let's see the first one. Different types of houses. Yes, in the S2 we have learned about different types of houses. What are there? Bungalow, caravan, houseboat, igloo, tent, hut. These are the different types of houses. And second one, why we need house? Why we need house? Because it gives us shelter from rain, heat, cold, animals. Yes, children, we have finished your classwork. So, write keywords from reader and glossary from reader and true or false from reader. Copy the questions and write these 4 question answers and do the class activity also. Okay, with the help of the video, do the class activity, everything, complete your classwork and all the work, all the S1, S2, S3 and S4 in workbook, children. Okay, thank you.